you have it, folks. When I moved to Winston Salem, I never thought I'd be moving to Canada. Snow everywhere, as far as the eye can see. How's it going? It's like a good 4, 5, 6 inches in one go. Thankfully, this time around, they have snow plowers. It's pretty stagnant, everything. Don't know what else to tell you. Snow. We're not across the road here. For the most part, you can hear swearing and worrying and, even the police people. They're just kind of mostly clueless what to do. Traffic here going at a snail's pace. Stores closed down. That one was supposed to be open until about 3 p.m. 9 p.m. Closed at 3. So it's a little bit of a problem for pedestrians. Thankfully I had my Chicago coat on, but it's pretty bad. Well, a motorcyclist. That's one way to ride a scooter, I guess. With your feet on. Well, I'm out, people. And happy Merry Christmas in February. And the madness continues a little bit. Police here, there. Pretty nice. Alright, I'm gonna get home. It's a creek. It's snow coming from up there. Insane. Oh, that's it for me. I'm out. Gotta get home. Freezing out here.